people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna Monet. I'm so happy that you clicked on this video. So today I will be showing you this hair that was sent over from Wiggins Hair. This will be a human hair headband wig, and they did send over a few headbands for us to try along with a wig cap. So that's always nice. I love when they come with goodies. And this is the hair here, a 16-inch kinky coily texture, but we'll get into that a little later. First, I want to show you how I prep my hair underneath these wigs because I have gotten a few questions about that. So as you can see, I have in these two pigtails and they're just a little old, a little dry. So I'm going to spruce them up with some water. And then I'm going to take this avocado moisturizing hair milk from Miel and just rub that through my hair to make sure it is retaining some moisture. I'm going to brush that through and then kind of redo those same two ponytails. And then as you can see here, I'm just going to crisscross them and pin them up. And that is how I have my hair always underneath my headband wigs and even under just my regular wigs. This is my go-to hairstyle to make sure my hair is nice and flat since I can't cornrow. So you gotta do what you can do. Now I'm just going to grab my wig cap and place that on my head. And then we're going to get into these edges. I like to make sure my edges are nice and laid and sleek with these headbands. I just think it helps it to look a little more natural. So I go in with my Got To Be glue and a brush to just get those edges together. So here you can see the texture of the hair. As I mentioned, it is 16 inches long and it is a very kinky, coily texture. I'm going to just add my wig grip because I really don't like to use the combs to protect my edges and my hairline. So I normally use a wig grip and then I'm going to put on the wig. Here I'm just showing you how easy it is to install. You Velcro it in the back and you're good to go. And now I'm just going to fluff out my hair to get it to its desired volume. So as you can see, I do have on this 16-inch curly headband wig sent over from Wiggins Hair. And it is serving all types of natural hair realness, okay? This hair feels so soft and natural. It blends in, like, it just looks so believable to me, the way it blends with my natural texture. I have not experienced a lot of shedding or tangling from this unit at all, really. Like, I haven't gotten any of those two things. I just fluffed her out. And she is beautiful. I did co-wash this hair before putting it on my head. And as you can see, the curls returned beautifully from just letting her air dry. So that part you don't have to be concerned with at all. The curls bounce back like that. It has such a great density to it and a very natural luster. So I love both of those things about this unit. Like I said, it's so believable. So easy for you to just plop on, move along with your day. So I really love like the convenience of it and how it takes very minimal effort to achieve this cute style. I'm going to include the price of the unit and a few specs in the description box below. So make sure you check down there for the exact link of where you can purchase her. I like her big and like all fluffed out like this, but if you did want to tame the curls a little bit how it was before, you can just go in with your water bottle, spray bottle, and spray some water on it and like rub that through along with whatever your favorite products is for your natural hair. So if you have a favorite spray or leave-in conditioner or curl cream that you like to use on your natural hair, you can also put that on this because it is a 100% human hair wig. This is another favorite product I have that I like to use on my curly units, and that is the Aussie Headstrong Volume Mousse. This works really good on slicking down any frizzies you may have or just kind of clumping those curls back together to give it a very sleek look. Let me show you real quick. Just put that on here. And it smells like really, really good too. So that is a bonus. It's great for just like adding some shine and defining those curls just a little bit more. And they were kind enough to send over a few different headband looks for us to try on. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these on and show you how you can just get a different look by switching up the headbands and a few different hairstyles. Does bring us to the end of this video and the different looks. I am really feeling this unit and how natural she is looking and just how convenient she is. She's the perfect throw on and go. So if you have to do a quick Zoom meeting, if you have to just run some quick errands, then this headband wig is definitely the new wave and it is the way to go. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button, that you subscribe, and you hit that bell so you can catch my future posts. I do have a headband lookbook playlist that you can check out if you enjoy looks like these and you want to see some other textures. And once again, I would like to thank Wiggins Hair for sending over this gorgeous unit for me to review. If you are interested in the details and the price on this one, then check out the description box below. All the information will be right there for you. I thank you so much for watching this video in full, for rocking with me and supporting my channel, and I will catch you again in the next one.